This is a new way to make money online, and this is going to make you about $2.57 every 5 minutes on Autopilot. Now, $2.57 every 5 minutes doesn't sound like much, but if we see what that is per hour, we see that that comes out to about $30.84 per hour. Again, this is on Autopilot. This is brand new. This is set it up once and collect the money 24/7. This is a very easy way to make money online. Anybody can do this from anywhere in the world. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step. In fact, you can just copy exactly what I do throughout this video and make $28.80 per hour on Autopilot. And that's just passive income. This is going to work especially well right now as we're leading up to Christmas, and you'll see why. However, this is a method that you can use year-around. You can just keep doing this over and over again and make that passive income all year long. Let us know down below in the comments if you have any travel plans this holiday season. Let us know where you're going. I'm going to be headed out to the state of Colorado to spend Christmas with my family. I'm very excited. And next thing you got to do is subscribe to this channel right here, Online Moneymaker. We've got all the tips, tricks, and hacks that you need every single day to make money online, from home, or from anywhere in the world. Step number one is to come to this website here. It's called CPA Grip. This can be found at cpagrip.com. And what we want to do is go ahead and just get registered for a free account and just fill out the basic information here. And as you can see, this is supported in many, many different countries. Pretty much any country you could possibly be in, this will be available. But I'm in the United States, so I'll keep that as is. Enter your address, phone number. You can put a fake phone number in here, by the way. Now, this is very important. Where it says publisher type right here, you need to select this one right here, website and sent. So make sure you check website and sent right there. Enter your email address, create a password, choose your time zone. Where did you hear about us? You can leave that blank. Click I have read and understand the terms of service, and then register. So once you've registered, this is essentially what your dashboard is going to look like. Now, what we're going to do here is on the left-hand side where it says Offer Tools, we want to click that, okay? And then you want to click on this first one, My Offers, okay? Just follow me along here. Make sure the country is set to United States. We do not want this sent to any or set to anything else but United States. Trust me on that. Now, what we have here, these are called pay-to-click offers, meaning we can just promote one of these, and I'll show you how to do that. For instance, let's see, get $1,000 to spend at Target, or get a free PS5 I saw up here. But we can promote one of these offers, and this number in green, that's what will get paid every time somebody just clicks on that link. Now, the important part of this whole thing is where to put this link and how to make it look. So we want to do something very, very enticing here. Now, right here at the bottom, get a $1,000 PayPal gift card, okay? And that's going to pay us $2.57 actually every time somebody clicks on it. So what we want to do, just click on that, okay? And then this is going to generate us a link right here. So what we want to do is we want to copy this link, but we need to shorten it because this looks very spammy. We don't want to, nobody's going to click on that. So go ahead and copy that link and come over here to this website, Bitly. This is at bitly.com. This will enable us to shorten that link for absolutely free. Just scroll down about halfway, paste that ugly looking link right there. We'll paste it there, and there it is. We don't want that. Just hit shorten, okay? Now this looks much, much better. That's going to be our new link, so we want to copy that and save it in a folder. The next thing we want to do is come to Google, and we need to find an image of a $1,000 PayPal gift card because that's what the offer we're promoting is. So like this one looks good right here, so we just want to, like, you know, right click on that, save the image. I always save these to my desktop, so that looks good. Yeah, just get it over to your desktop, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. So the best way to do this is to use Twitter. We will be posting this to Twitter. If you don't already have a Twitter account, that's good. You do not want to use your personal Twitter account for this. You need to start a new one specifically for these offers. Now, I need you to keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to create a very eye-catching Twitter post that's going to get a lot of clicks and make you a lot of money. So do not skip forward from this point. Now we need to head over to canva.com, and this is completely free. They do have a paid version of this, but you will not need that for what we're doing. This is going to enable us to easily create a very, very eye-catching and professional looking Twitter post. So first step here is in the search bar, just type in Twitter post. And that's going to bring us here to this page full of templates that are perfectly sized for Twitter posts. And we could use any one of these, but just to keep it simple, I suggest we just use the blank one. So click on that and it'll bring it up and we can start creating our post here. So first thing we want to do is take that picture that we downloaded from Google of the $1,000 PayPal gift card and just drag it over, drop it in. Okay, now we just want to move it probably over to the side here, like right there, because we want the rest of this space to put some text. So that looks good. We can just save that. Now we need to add some text in here, and I do have a template that I suggest you use. I suggest you pretty much put exactly what I'm going to put or something very close to it. So to start adding text, right over here on the left-hand side, just click where it says text, and that's going to bring us to all these fancy different fonts we can use. Now some of these we can't use unless we have the paid version. So anything you see here with a crown under it, that is only for the paid version, so we can stay away from that. But I think right away we can just use this huge sale one, free right here. There we go. So what we're gonna do is just we'll just shrink this up a little bit, and then we want to change these words. So we'll just delete that right there. Okay, and then right here. So what we're gonna do is put $1,000 PayPal giveaway. $1,000 PayPal giveaway. And we can just resize this when we are done typing it in. So that looks good. So right up here at the top, this is the sizing. So we want to just shrink this down until it's basically one full line. And that's going to look pretty good. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to put giveaway. So this looks pretty good like this, but I do think I want to change the color of the text. So to do that, I just want to highlight it like this, and then right here where it says A, this is the text color, I want to switch it to a blue that's more consistent with the picture we got there. So that looks good. And we'll do the same thing right here with the giveaway, change that to the same color blue. And that's gonna look just a little more professional like that. So we'll stick with that. Now we need to add more text down here, and I'm gonna show you exactly what to put. Now what we wanna do is come right up here where it says add subheading, click on that, okay? And what we're gonna type is to enter, follow these steps. So to enter, follow these steps. So it should look something just like this. Now what we want to do is add the body text down in here. So what we're going to do is click on add body text right up here on the left hand side, and then we'll start typing it. And I'm just going to type it out for you instead of you watching me type this whole thing out. I'm just going to type it out and give you the whole template so you can copy it word for word if you want. So you want to put something like this. Number 1, retweet this post. Number 2, tag one person. And number 3, click the link in the bio to submit entry. Now it's important to remember that when you start your Twitter account right here, the link that you want people to click on needs to go into the bio, because you cannot put a clickable link on this. Now by putting retweet this post, that means it's going to be retweeted a bunch of times, the same with tagging one person, and that's just going to get you all the more clicks and thus get you $2.57 every time somebody clicks. So there's one more very important thing that we're going to put right here. We're going to put something like you may enter once every 24 hours, and we want that in red. We want that to stand out because this makes this offer look a little more exclusive than it actually is. So that's going to attract people to keep clicking on that link, thus giving you more money. So I chose this text right here, this font, this welcome little one. I just typed it in and I just changed the color to red to make it stand out. So that's very important. So once you're happy with it, you can either publish it directly to your Twitter account by pushing this button, or if you just want to get it into your downloads or your desktop, just hit this little arrow right here. This is completely free. This is the way to do it, people. So give this video a like if you found it valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Thank you so much. Go make that money.